everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. We have another unboxing to do today. This one is from Tinmi Art's Handcraft store on AliExpress. It was ordered August 6th and was delivered August 28th. So 22 days, a little over 3 weeks to get here. It is a 50 by 40. It is a partial and around. As you can see, this started out as a box, but it's a little flat now to be a box. So I'm hoping that everything is okay with this. I paid $10.90, but I think I had a $1 off coupon, so I think I paid $9.90 for this. So let's open it up and check the condition of this thing. When I opened my mailbox and it was in there, I just kind of stared at it. So I'm not sure if it was them or my mailman stuffing it in the mailbox that did it, but somewhere it got smooshed. Oh yeah, this looks great. Could have been a pretty box, but it didn't show up a pretty box. There is the, oh, that's awful. There is the picture of it. Anyway, it's a mama elephant and a baby elephant. Oof. There's the canvas with a nice pretty smush in it. You see it folded. Empty box. Okay. Let's open up this canvas. That's cute. This is actually called... Nope. Not gonna... There you go. Mother's Love. Now can you see this bendy smoosh? Well, the canvas is sparkly. There you go. Mama elephant and a baby elephant. This has, looks like 11 colors. Yep, 11 colors. And right here shows you the picture, and then that right there shows you that all you'll be drilling are the elephants. There, I think you can see it now. There we go. And there's the picture again. I don't see... Oh yeah, there's a little bit of canvas damage, but it doesn't look... I may be able just to push that back down. I don't know if you can see the creases and run and river in it right there. And right here. And right here. So right here a little bit. I don't think it's going to be so bad that I won't be able to fix it. I just wish it didn't get so hammered in shipping. Like I said, Mother's Love, 50 by 40. let's take a look at the drills here. Inventory should be relatively easy to do. Toolkit, green boat, no cutout, pink wax, pink pen, and some baggies in the back. These do have DMC codes, so that's helpful for storage after I get this done. A lot of blues, light blues, whites. I don't know why my phone is being ridiculous right now. Oh, there we go. White, light blue, and then the blues just keep getting a little bit darker, a little bit darker, 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 and 310. And then here's some grays. There we go, some grays. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inventory done. Just like that. That was pretty easy. Again, there is the picture, and it comes from, yeah, no, you can't even read that. It is Tinmi, Tinmi Arts Handcraft store. I'll put it in the title to the video also, so that you can see it and check them out, see what you think. I guess that's it. This is actually a really short video. There's not much to show. The canvas, the drills, the toolkit, the beautiful, perfectly square box that it came in. So I guess I will let you all go with that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, the little bell if you want notifications of when we upload something. Any questions, comments, please leave them in the comments section down below. And everybody have fun diamond painting, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.